No one believed Milo when he said dragons lived in his pocket, not even his cat, Whiskers. Every time Milo sneezed, a puff of smoke and a tiny, bright green dragon burst out, chasing the floating tissue like it was treasure. The dragon zipped and zoomed, snatching the tissue midair with a triumphant squeak. Sometimes, 2 sneezes meant 2 dragons, tumbling and giggling as they played catch. Milo always ended up with the cleanest room, since the dragons picked up every stray tissue. At night, Milo wondered if tomorrow's sneeze might bring a dragon that wanted to stay a little longer.